We're going to look at Adobe InDesign's text wrapping features. So for this first step, which is page 1 in this document you have that is available as a link in the YouTube, you're going to go to page 1 and you're going to select this object here. The selection tool is available through the quick key V. So I hit V and I wake this up. Then I go to Window and I go down to Text Wrap and I wake up this dialog box. Now, as you can see, if I hover over this, this is indicating with this grayed area that this object is currently set for no wrap. For this page, I want you to select on the next selection, which is wrapping around a bounding box. So now suddenly we can see that we've set that object to apply some wrapping around this area. Now, if you go up here, you see this is linked, make all settings the same. If I were to put my cursor in here and just arrow up, it's going to be creating more padding around the shape. Now, the next thing is you want to go online and do a Google search for ocean plastic, download that image, which I'm going to show you I've already done. I'm going to wake that box up and then I'm going Command D, which is a shortcut for File and Place. So wake that up at Command D and I'm going to go find my, on the desktop, I'm going to go find my image. So now I've got it in there. You want to go to Object, Fitting, and I'm going to fit the content proportionally because I don't really want it to be changing this image at all. And I can kind of pull these sides in now because the image is not quite the right size. So now I've got this image of ocean plastic. And now I'm just going to move this around. And I think that's good, that the subhead's sitting up there. So that is text wrapping set to wrap around the bounding box.